In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple images in Weavy AI. If you've ever needed to grab a whole set of assets at once, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, most reliable way to do it without clicking each file one by one. First, head to Weavy AI in your web browser and sign in if you're not already. I recommend doing this on a desktop because keyboard shortcuts and right-click menus make the process quicker. Once you're in, make sure you're on a stable connection so the download completes smoothly. Next, open a file that already contains the images you want. Navigate to your workspace, find the project, and select the specific file. Take a quick moment to confirm that the images you need are present and visible on the canvas or in the file's content. If you collaborate with a team, double-check that you have permission to download assets from this file. Now it's time to select what you want to download. To grab everything in the file at once, press Ctrl+A on Windows or Linux or Command+A on a Mac. That instantly selects all items in the file, including the images. If you only want certain ones, hold Shift and click each image you want to include. You can also use Shift-click to deselect anything you don't want, keeping your selection precise without clearing everything. Before you continue, glance over the selection to make sure it matches what you need. With your images selected, right-click anywhere on the selection and choose Download All. This tells Weavy AI to bundle the selected images and start the download. Depending on your browser settings, you may be asked where to save the files, or they may go straight into your default downloads folder. If you don't see the download start, check your browser's download permissions and try the right-click menu again. Large selections can take a moment to prepare, so give it a little time if you're working with many high-resolution images. That's it. You've quickly gathered multiple images in just a few clicks. To recap, open your file, select everything with a single shortcut, or fine-tune the selection with Shift-click, then right-click and choose Download All. Use this same flow anytime you need to collect assets for handoff, documentation, or backups, and you'll save yourself a lot of repetitive work.